Hi viewers, this is YangaLife channel and it's me Chinedu, your presenter. Yes, today we are going to visit and give you an update concerning the Iweka that is under dualization. Yes, we are going there today and we are going to give you the recent update concerning that road construction. Yes, the governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Soludo, is doing his best. At least he has shown his doggedness by, grabbing the bull by the horn. It's not quite, an easy task, doing this one, doing the other one. But I know where we have problems. So, but let's forget about that and, face the reality on ground. Yes, there could be delays in construction works, but I bet you that those are the key projects that, the government needs to look into when it comes to road construction. These are the roads that are very important, to get it right. Yes. And it's not that it's something that is too fantastic that people have not seen before. No, government is doing their job. That's what it means. The revenue that government is getting is what they are giving for us. But it's just that we are telling them that this area we need it like this area we need it to be like this. That is what we are doing here, so that we get it right and to avoid, double work. But there's a way you do these things. It becomes a palliative work. So, but we don't need palliative work these days. We need work that will stand the test of time. Yes, a work that will stand the test of time. That's what we are talking about. And it's not just standing the test of time. Work that is up to standard. We are talking about standard this time around. All the roads being done, let it have standard infrastructures. You talk about walkways, drainage, street lights. After walking the road, then the road is not complete without road markings. We are making that such big mistakes. Road markings gives drivers, motorists what to do at what point in time. The road marking will indicate this is what you are supposed to do here, you are not supposed to do like this. And also road signs. Road signs where there should be pedestrian walkways, where there should be zebra crossing and the rest of them. All these things sum up road construction. So road construction is not just coming to lay asphalt and the vehicle start moving. What about the safety of using that road? That is different between a white man that knows what he's doing and a black man that is ignorant. It's not just doing something, you must do it and do it completely. Just like driving a car, there are rules, guiding the driving. So all these things are the way that you can use the car to ensure your own safety. If you enter the car, you are supposed to, as a driver, wear a seatbelt. Even as passengers, these are the way you are supposed to move, and you are not supposed to do like this. You are supposed to check the vehicle before moving out in the morning. All these things, they are like that when it comes to anything, manufacturing, and the road is not exceptional. So what we do here majorly is palliative work, and apart from that, we do it haphazardly. So every completed road must have these infrastructures with street lights. That shows that, yes, this road is done and dusted. Well, we will keep talking and the government keep, doing their own best. But what we are saying is that we need things of standard. The world is not waiting for anybody this time. If you lag behind, that one is their own cup of tea. And people are talking about investment this time around. Anambra, Southeast, and Nigeria as a whole is an investment hub. So we need to make it attractive so that these people can come and, do their investments and help our currency to grow. Well, let's go and see Iweka and what it looks like presently. Thank you. I still remain Chinedu. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please click on the subscription button, notification bell, like this video. Please don't forget to share our video so that others will see and we get to, people in charge. And let's come here and brainstorm and through the comment box. You drop your comment. We hear what you have to say about the video. Thank you. As you do that, let's go there and see. Thank you.
Yes, viewers, we are right there on Dam Flyover. This is where they call Dam Fly. Iweka, up Iweka, Dam Fly. This is the place. And we are moving down to main markets, assessing the main market from up Iweka. Yes, this is a vital road, very, very, very important road that the government has thought it wise to reconstruct and dualize. Yes, that's a very, very good initiative by the governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Soludo. He initiated this idea of dualizing this road. I don't know whether it's a matter of coincidence or from what we are discussing here that government is deciding to do some of these things. I don't know actually, or whether it's a coincidence. But I want to believe that people are listening to what we are discussing here and giving a listening ear. Initially, we have been talking about the dualization of this road, that it is important that the government dualize this road. But lo and behold, the government has awarded this road for dualization. But the dualization will end at Moore Street, just shortly before you enter the main market axis, that's Awka Street. That is where the dualization will end, at Moore Street, because that place is a bit narrow. But all this area, down to Modebe Junction, they have a very large space of road that can be dualized without touching any person's property along that axis. So, but it's the good news that the government has finally thought it wise to dualize this road, but gradually work is coming down from the main market axis down to this down flyover. So you are here to assess the road by yourself and the environment, and like the video and drop your comments. Let's hear what you have to say about this video as we proceed. So let's keep going. We are still moving along popular Ochanja markets. Just like I earlier said, the road is very, very important, and it needs to be, the quality needs to be tripled because of the heavy duty vehicles that pass this road to go and deliver goods in the market. So this is the roundabout, Ochanja roundabout I was talking about, that needs a flyover. If you take left here, you are going down to 6th Avenue. The 6th Avenue that is under construction now. If you take left now, you are going down to 6th Avenue. So, but we are going to move down that 6th Avenue side, but we are not going to move into that road properly because the Ochanja roundabout is now blocked. For your information, you cannot pass through Ochanja roundabout as if you are going to Modobelo and main market. So we have now diverted through the back to reconnect the Iweka road. That is what we just did, because the Iweka road is now blocked at Ochanja roundabout because of the ongoing construction work that is going on there. So now we have resurfaced at Iweka Road. Just gradually we will be on Iweka Road. Yes, this is Iweka Road. We have reconnected back. So we had a U-turn shape movement. So this is Iweka Road. We are back. So, but let's go down to that Ochanja roundabout and see what that place looks like and what is blocking that axis. So this is the place that was blocked at Ochanja roundabout. You can see what is happening here. Some excavation work is going on. Some excavation work is going on. So we are going back to continue our movements, but we just want to be sure what is happening there. So right now we are at Modebelu Junction, Modebel by Iweka. So this is where the dualization will end at this Modebel. So, but we are moving straight to main market. Main market is not far from here. You can observe that from here down the road is a bit narrow. So it is not wise to go on dualization here, except if government wants to destroy so many people's property. So this place will be, a normal carriageway. It's not going to be dualized. So let's keep going. So now we have approached the area that the vehicle cannot move beyond. So, but we are going to move into there to give you the details view of that place. So you can see the company's name that is handling this one. They say the ZCC. The other one at Niger Street is Tech. So all these companies, they look alike but with different names. I don't know. But what we are after is to deliver something solid and something nice. That's what people need. It doesn't matter who does the job. What matters is to deliver. Like I always said, let these companies that are not known, use this opportunity to showcase themselves, do a nice work and a wonderful work. I believe if our people, they are given that opportunity and well equipped to do this job, they can perform as well as Julius Berger, as well as RCC and the likes. That is the thing. It's all about determination and doing the right thing. There's no big deal about it. So we are still moving and we are looking at the environment to see what it looks like. Well, we have, as usual, open drainage. I don't know if it looks like it's going to have a walkway, but the drainage system, well, maybe they are going to cover it. Let's see how it goes. Open drainage systems breed mosquitoes. It smells bad odor and it breeds mosquitoes. So, but, well, let's see what happens. All we can do is to be giving you updates as and when due. And please try to do your own part. It is vital that both of us benefit and we both of us move ahead. That is what we are talking about. So we have taken the pains to be updating you guys, and that is our joy, that we are updating you. So please try to do your own part. Thank you as you do that. So we are right there at Okwe Street. This is Okwe Street. We are not yet inside main market. This is just some of these streets that are that looks like the main market, but they have a heavy, trading activities that are going on around here. But the main market is still inside. That is it. So let's keep moving and explore the area. Thank you. Don't forget to drop your comment. So let's hear from you what you see about this video, the assessments, and the whole lot of them. Thank you. Let's keep going. We are having a reverse view of where we came from. From there, we will cover some other areas that we did not cover as we are coming. Well, you can see the situation of this place, and we hope that these people they speed up their work. If you ask me, I don't know what you observed, but there are some little changes, but I expect to see more than this, being that this road is very strategic. There is no need for delay, and we know the period we are now. So these people need to speed up their work. I don't know what is delaying them. But however, all I know that there is improvement, but their speed is not, commendable. I don't know what is the problem, whether it's finance or not. But what I'm seeing is what I'm saying. Until I hear from you what you think about the video that you've watched, you can as well check our previous post on this particular road, one of our posts like 3 weeks ago. You can check to see the difference, because we are not going to bring that one to join this video. We are leaving this one to stand alone, so that you can just watch it and end it here. But if you are interested to know what this road looks like the other time, you can check about a month ago. So I just imagine if it were companies like Beggar. I keep talking about Beggar because these are the companies that knows what they are doing. A space of 2 weeks, you will see wonders. Space of 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, they have gone far. But well, let's take what we are seeing. Well, we keep moving down the Ochanja roundabout to still have a reverse view of where we are coming from. So we keep moving towards Ochanja market side. As we keep making our observations. Then we have diverted to the place that we diverted the other time, because that roundabout is completely blocked. No movement. This is for your information. If you are going to drive towards this area, if you must drive, that is where you are supposed to follow. You have to follow here to cut off that area. Thank you. So we are back to our Chanja market front. This is where we are having the reverse view of where we passed earlier. This is our Chanja market, a very, very important market and very large market. Just like I was saying, that the road supposed to be a very solid road to avoid inconveniencing people a lot, because all these are inconveniencing. After some time the road gets bad and people will start being inconvenienced again to reconstruct, and this place is the area that gives government huge amount of revenue. So I don't know why we cannot do this thing once and for all. But well, the Minister of Work has exposed some things to us, that these people doing this road, they have adulterated bitumen, the one they use in doing the asphalt, and the thickness of their road is not up to standard. That's why he has been on campaign for concrete road, that anybody going on asphalt road now is on his own. So, but let's see how it goes. Except if these people are going to give us guarantee that this road they are doing is for 50 years. That is only when we can. In fact, all this road being constructed, they are supposed to give guarantee of when that road is going to last up to that time. If the road fails, they will come back and redo that road. That is what it's supposed to be, if you ask me. So, but that is between the government that gives them that contract and the contractors themselves. That is the what is supposed to be. So, and the public should know all these things due to the Freedom of Information Bill, or whatever they call it, Freedom of Information Act. People are supposed to know all these things, like when roads are being awarded, they are supposed to know the sum, they are supposed to know when the road is supposed to last, so that we know who we are supposed to hold accountable. That should be the standard, if you ask me. But however, let's keep going. We always believe that half bread is better than none, and things are going bad. We keep eating half bread all the time, and some people are eating full. So it's high time that people should start doing the right thing. Well, gentlemen, we are nearing the completion of this video, and I wish to thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscription button, notification bell. Let's hear your thought about this video. Thank you. As you do that, I still remain Chinedu. Bye for now.